Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo IdeaCentre 21.5-inch all-in-one desktop. This machine presents itself as a clean, space-saving solution for your home or office setup, integrating all the components right behind the display. The screen itself is a 21.5-inch full HD IPS panel, offering crisp visuals and good viewing angles, which is great for watching videos or working on documents. What makes this particular configuration stand out is the inclusion of a touchscreen, adding an intuitive layer of interaction with Windows 11 Pro. Under the hood, it's powered by an 11th generation Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor. This is a capable dual-core chip that handles everyday tasks like web browsing, email, streaming, and office applications with ease. While the i3 is an entry-level CPU, the performance is significantly boosted by the generous memory and storage upgrades. This unit comes equipped with a massive 32 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz. Having this much RAM is fantastic for multitasking. You can have numerous applications and browser tabs open simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. Complementing the RAM is a speedy 1TB M.2 SSD. This large solid-state drive ensures quick boot times, fast application loading, and provides ample space for all your files, photos, and videos. Graphics are handled by the integrated Intel UHD graphics. This is perfectly suitable for standard desktop use, watching high-definition content, and light casual gaming, but it's not designed for demanding graphical tasks like professional video editing or playing the latest AAA games. Connectivity is standard with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it includes HDMI for connecting an external display if needed. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it offers enhanced security features and tools beneficial for both home and small business users. Overall, this Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO, especially with the upgraded RAM and SSD, transforms into a highly capable and responsive machine for general productivity, home use, and even light creative work, all within a sleek, integrated package. It's a solid choice for someone looking for a clutter-free desktop experience with plenty of speed for daily computing needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.